Morning, guys. Say morning. 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 Happy Sunday, everyone. Mommy is going to cut Celine's bangs. She bangs kasi tumutosok na naman sa kanyang mata. She's such a good girl, you are, princess. Tingnan niyo, she's letting me. Baby, cut. Okay. I need you to close your eyes, okay? Okay. Pressure si Mami. Pressure. Pabadawan lang. Hindi pa naman sharp tong ating kunting. But it's still sharp enough. Can you put that there just in case? Okay. Just like this. Okay. And close your eyes. Okay. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Ay, shush! Look at Mommy. Ay, shush! Look at that. Look at Tito. Ay, wanna to po. Okay. Mo? 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 Wanna say please to Mama?
This is Mommy.
Okay. Daddy, look. She's a very good girl. Okay, baby, look. Look, Mama. Look up. Okay. Close eyes. Look at Mama. Okay, hindi naman. Tumutusok ko ba na? Look up. I think it's not short enough lang. Look, Mommy. Look at Mommy. Wait. Do you like it? Do you like it? Tell me. Beautiful girl. Say welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. Where's Ate Shoe? We'll do your hair, Anna. So, magkaiba yung lakad namin today ni Daddy Mike tsaka ni Ate Paris. Guys. So, hati kami ni Daddy Mike ng anak. So, Daddy Mike and Ate Paris will have a daddy-daughter day. Yes. Mag-date silang dalawa. So, baby Celine will come with me. Alisin kami ni baby Celine. Pero, ito yung nire-request si Daddy Mike before kami umalis ni baby Celine, ay gawin ko muna yung buhok ni Ate Paris. Kasi, he can do everything else, guys, but the hair. What happened?
And guys,
Yes?
I went to Sachi's birthday yesterday and we did a lot of stuff and she gave me money
Tako.
for real life. And it's real money.
That's Mama's money.
It's $5. My mommy just thinks it's just
Thank you, sweetheart.
her,
Gosh!
but actually
Baby
from
girl.
Sach.
Now, remember what I told you about lying? Yes. Lady girl, hi! What are you doing? Stop touching it! Oh, wait. We'll see you soon, okay?
Okay.
You have fun with Daddy?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, that fits her now. Yeah! Where are you gonna go?
To the park. Is that mommy?
What's that, Mommy? Yeah. Say bye-bye natin.
Stop.
Bye-bye, ate. Oh, this is for sleeping. Yes, that's for sleeping. Itong shoes na to, guys, matagal ko nang binili. Nung nakita ko to, malaki pa, sobrang laki pa sa kanya. Tapos, tinago ko lang sa baul. Last night, I was cleaning. And, ilabas ko siya and fit na sa kanya. Tingnan nyo. First time niyang suotin ngayon.
At the front.
Yeah.
Even soft at the bottom. Wait. The bottom is...
Kasyang-kasya na.
They look like school shoes.
Hindi na rin to magtatagal eh. Ano na rin to? Magiging kay Celine na naman.
Ma, they look like school shoes.
You know what brand is this?
Gucci.
Wow.
I got a Gucci on. I'll make a Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing. Oh, I made you in that in such a dress, such a
Avocado in my morning hair.
But even with nothing. Oh, I made you look. I made you look.
Galis nga tinglo. Tingnan niyo ang outfit natin pa. Asang tumba lang. Uy! Ay, lagi na. Kasi mataga ka lang. Ikaw, ito lang dahil gatong kay kagulo lang. Oh, wala na. Dumating na talaga tayo sa puntong ganito, guys. Before, she's so little. Mama will carry her all the time. And now... Anyway.
Hello.
Na. Paadaptar ka na.
Amagi ang ba?
I thought you were gonna walk.
Nah.
Huh?
Ano ba?
We'll just drop you there. Okay. Careful, Ling. Careful. There's car coming. Ah, yeah, they're gonna park. It's okay. You get away. Move here, ate. Naka-naisak na si Inday. Give me 100 peso. Where are you gonna go, Daddy?
City. Ba?
You go to the city?
Maybe.
Kayo na talaga ang mag-bake. Wait here, honey. Wait. It's gonna be so hot today. 31 degrees. So, Daddy? Told you, yeah? No sunbathing for Paris, please. Kiss Mama. I know, we're gonna drop you, but... Give Mommy a kiss lang. Mommy a kiss. You have fun with Daddy, okay? I love you. You make sure you drink water and eat. Okay. You coming with Mama, anak?
Ganito tayo, Baba.
We go shopping.
Nakalap pa. Yeah. Nakalap.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy. Take care, Daddy, please. Message me, ha? It's okay, my love. Hey, you going with Mama? Where are we going? It's okay. You and Mama will have fun too, okay? Okay? We'll go now, okay? Love you, Lingling. Is 12:14 ng tanghali. Nandito tayo sa sasakyan. Kakapark lang natin dito sa usual na parking spot natin pag nandito tayo sa city. So kanina, nung dinrop namin si Daddy Mike at si Ate Paris, pumunta kami ng Milton Studio. Kung saan ako pumupunta every Sunday. It was a very quick one kasi si Baby Celine, nung pagkarating namin doon, she was falling asleep sa sasakyan. So, tinransfer ko siya sa pram, hindi siya nakatulog. So, she was a bit cranky. So, it means, hindi nakatingin si mami niyo ng mabuti. Anyways, even though hindi ako nakatingin ng mabuti, nakabili ako ng dalawa. So, ipakita ko sa inyo before kami lumabas ni Baby Celine. Lalabas kami, si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris ay nandito sa city. So, they went on the ferry from Bolimba to city. So, ayun, yung dalawa nagbanding-banding. Nag-video call na kami kanina. And, kasi si Daddy Mike pumunta ng Nike. tinignan niya yung shoes na gusto ko kasi I've been looking at this Nike Dunk Low and gusto ko talagang bumili, and pumunta siya, tumingin siya, and sabi ko mamaya na lang pagkarating ko kasi kailangan ko i-try. Sabi niya, do you want me to get it now? No, kasi yung size nila 6.5 tapos yung paa ko is 6, so I'm worried na medyo malaki ba. Anyway, sabi ko i-try natin mamaya. So nandito sila, we will have lunch here mamaya kasi tulog ba man ang ating baby girl. So this is what I bought first. It's a mini dress na super pastel ang kanyang kulay, super screaming summer. Ayan, very lang, basic na dress. Ayan, and the brand is from Mr. Zimi. Ayan, to siya guys, bonggang brand to siya dito sa Australia. I don't know if it's Australia only or maybe ibang bansa rin. It's size 6. Tinry ko siya at kumasya naman siya. Normally kasi size 8 ako. I paid $40 for this one and it's worth it naman guys. And then the second one, shush my baby girl. Second one is this. Nung paalis na sana kami. And then, ito talaga yung chinek ko first, but sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'll have a look around first before ako mag-decide. Kasi, tinry ko siya, and isip ko, hindi siya pang daily ba? Pang okasyon siya. Sabi ko, is it worth it? Kasi $40 din siya. So, sabi ko sa may-ari, sabi ko, I'll just walk around and I'll think about it. Anyways, bumalik ako, binili ko siya. Kasi bongga din naman siya, guys. Ayan. Pang Dior ang kanyang aurahan, ganyan. So, it's maxi dress na, tignan nyo, ganyan siya. Maganda to siya parisa ng very simple lang na top, na tank top na white, and then high heels. I can already imagine myself wearing this. So, ayun. Yun lang, dalawa yung binili ko. Pero mahal pa siya kasi $80 yung nabayaran ko sa dalawa. It's alright, worth it naman siya guys. Magaganda naman sila. Ang ating baby Celine ay may sipon. So, she has been sneezing. So, I think she's got like headache. Maybe. Alam niyo, nakita pag ang mata lumuluha. Later, pagka uwi namin, papainom ko to ng Nurofen. So I'm thinking, since naman siya, she's sleeping, transfer ko na siya sa pram. She'll keep sleeping, that's for sure. Pinadedicate ko na yan siya before kami umalis doon dito sa sasakyan. So she's happy. She's not hungry.
That one.
Which one? This one? Oh, this one? Okay. Dito kami sa Hype Tea. Bili kami ni waffles and cake. Ay, shush. Mama will order, okay? And then we'll go see Daddy and Ate. Beep. Which one? We'll have a look. We'll go to Coles first.
Huh?
We'll go to Coles first. Reunited. Reunited. Okay. Nah, push the button lang. Yeah. Push the button, Ning Ning. Down. Push the button pa lang ka. Yeah. Butter, down. Yay!
Are you happy Daddy's here? Yeah.
Yeah, she was saying all the time, I want Daddy, I want Ate. No, dito pwede mong kagaya eh. How did you go, Ate?
Very good.
Which one?
Down.
Down. Nabaliktad sila guys. Yung Ate Naspra. Alright, so Daddy Mark wants to go to this, what is that?
Well, I got a new friend because I'm 7-year-old. I'm
Anak, buka to. Baka nakusod kayo man-over ang map-pram.
I'm actually 5-year-old, but I got a 10 friend.
Wow, good job.
We are playing games today, and then I tried this one.
Go, Three Kings! Hindi na naman tayo maka-vlog sa loob. Here's the genius. Nice. Oh my God! Lainey! Okay, gusto po ni Daddy sa Malaysian? What is it about? Malaysian? Restaurant. Doon daw magla-lunch.
Like swimming place.
Yeah, hopefully. Sabi mag-close ng ano eh. Okay, 2:30. Nak, you might have to come down, anak. It's so hard. Baba. Oh, see kung open pa sila. Open pa ata. Yeah. Come, ate. Oh, smells so good. Nagutom tuloy ako. It's alright, sweetie girl. She's just ordering through this.
Maybe I should get it to this one.
What's that?
I want to give this to Lainey so she can give me that.
You wanna watch Baba?
Yuck! Yuck!
How's your phone?
That one.
Is it stuck? Oh, there it is.
Yuck!
It's gone. There you are. It's gone. There you are. Tingnan niyo ang mata galuha-luha.
Yuck!
What happened? It's mine. It's mine. Where did it go? Really? Good job. Chicken. What's this for? Chicken curry?
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Roti. Yum. Lily.
Oh, I think I got sausage.
Daddy, it's yours, Mommy.
That's yours? You can have some. Oh, you want this?
You want rice cream?
Yes. Put her some.
Where's Auntie's bowl?
This one.
Do you want the bowl, Auntie, or do you want the plate?
Please. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Sarap ng food nila, guys. Mama, Malaysian, roti, and satay. What happened?
Just hurt my knee.
Hurt the knee. Oh my God. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Do you want to play with this one or no? Tagal mo, nakalabas lang. Tatay mo na. You don't wanna play with this one? Okay. Okay, palangga ni mama nga baby. Asa naman ko sila lang? Oops, silly daisy. Mag-outfit of the day day, tabi. Huwag man ito naka-outfit of the day. Ito ang ating bag. And, ayan. Ewan ko lang bakit ang dilim. But yeah, ito ang ating pa-outfit. What are you looking for, ate? Here?
No.
No, ito naman yung buhok. What are you doing?
How do I put that?
Daddy, Mom.
What is it?
What's a thing?
Or Indian kids.
Say go, ate?
So try them out.
Say go. What's for say go, ate? Say go, ate, go.
You never put up.
So go, let's go. Go.
Yeah,
All those days watching through the window. All those years outside looking. And give you up.
How are you feeling, Baba Girl?
Sick.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ilong. Shush. Wipe the nose, babe. Wipe the nose. Where's the tissue?
No.
Ha?
Baba,
Bahala, di ba? Basta kayo naka-princess dress. Ay, Lord.
Mama lapak ka. That one.
Yeah, who's that?
Mama lapak ka. That one.
Who's that?
Mama. That one.
And I'm giving, say that.
And I'm giving you mommy. Then look.
Who's that?
And
It's Princess Sophia. It's Princess Sophia, Lini.
Yes. Why?
Hey, dress.
You go
I'm cleaning the bed now kasi.
You go outside and then I'll bring her to introduce. Mine, what was that?
Pinadedi ko si baby Celine kasi medyo ano siya guys, may temperature. So ayun, nakatulog siya yung katabi ng tatay niya. Kasi kagabi, tagal namin natulog yung Daddy Mike. Nanood kami ng movie and I think natulog kami 3 o'clock na ata. Tapos kanina umaga, maaga kami nagising. Kain tayo ng mangga. So ayun, si Daddy Mike, he's relaxing. Ayan, katabi sila ni baby Celine. Hopefully, hindi naman siya sobrang iyak talaga. She's still happy. But she keeps on sneezing. Hatsyo siya ng hatsyo, guys. Ano natin, Bi? Masarap pa ito, Bi. Wala. Sobrang tamis. Bigay ko Ate Paris. Ang ating Ate Paris ay, as usual, hindi siya tutulog. So, ayan, nanonood. Diba kanina sa city ay nagtingin-tingin kami ng shoes. So, matagal na kasi akong nakikita ni Daddy Mike na nagtitingin-tingin nitong Nike na Dunk Low. And ayaw niya talaga guys. Ayaw niya kasi mas gusto daw niya yung Air Force One. Maganda daw yung look ng Air Force One. Wala, Air Jordan pala itong Akin. So, Air Force One yung gusto niyang bilhin ko. Ito yung aking old na Air Jordan. Ayan. So, pure white lang to siya. Pero, hindi na siya white ngayon kasi madumi na. But, ting-tinini. So, bibilhin ko na sana guys kasi yun talaga yung plano ko. But, sabi ni Daddy Mike, ano daw, early birthday gift daw niya sa akin since ito daw yung gustong ko. So, ayan, binili ni Daddy Mike for me. So, let's have a look kung ano yung binili natin. So, we ended up getting the black and white. Ito ba yung tinatawag nila na panda? Okay. Women Nike Dunk Low. White and black. And alam niyo ba, ito siya 6.5. Normally, 6 ako guys. But they don't have my size. And nag-check na ako online, eBay, and all the shops around Australia. Ng size 6 nito, walay ako makita. So, meron silang available na 6.5. Tinry ko at hindi naman siya kalakihan. okay lang. Especially kasi magsusuot pa ako ng medyas, diba? So, perfect. So, that's the shoes. Oh my God. I'm still thinking kung ano yung susuotin ko nito. Alam niyo yun? Yung anong ipa-partner ko na damit. Yeah. It's nice. But, ganyan talaga, no? Parang hindi, anong tawag dito? Ibang-iba sa mga, normally kayong mga luxury na mga shoes, sobrang pulido ng pagkagawa. Itong mga Nike, hindi naman sa, magkano ba to siya? 160 Australian dollars. But yeah, makikita, yung parang may, siya ng, yung glue, hindi masyadong na yung tahi dito, hindi masyadong na-cut. Kita niyo ba? Ayan, diba? But it's okay. I'm just saying. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. So, ayan, yung ating new sneakers. Sabi ni Daddy Mike ko, ayan ha, pang na early birthday present. Nagising si King. So, yeah, suot nga natin yung pagkita ko sa inyo ha. Nasuot ko sa paa. Hindi mo na ako mag-medyas eh. How's your nap, Daddy? Maganda naman siya. Marami kasi ako nakikita, guys, mga sa sa online. Ito talagang online ba? Nakaka-influence ba? Like, Instagram, yung mga ganun. Suot sila nito. Iwan ko kung bagay din sa akin, guys. Pero awat-awat lang ba? Look. See? That's it. Ito siya pang casual. Ewan ko na lang. Dami ko ng shoes.
It's hot. Heat of my hair.
Yung iba, since magpapadala naman tayo ng box sa Pinas, papadala ko na yun sa aking sisterette. Wala nang space dito sa mansion natin. Ang mansion natin na napakaliit, Diyos ko Lord. So, dito muna yan siya sa box. Saka ko na yan siya ilalabas kung susuotin ko na.